influencer marketing platform with over than 300 million influencers, where you can directly contact any creator, get detailed audience analytics, manage your campaign with ease, automate post tracking and reporting. Now let's take a look at how it works. First step is our discovery tool. You get access to 300 million influencer database in every country, in every niche across Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Say goodbye to manual searching. Our AI tool does the heavy lifting for you. Use over 20 detailed filters to uncover influencers that align perfectly with your brand objectives. Use filters like mentions to unveil the influencer promoting your competitors, giving you invaluable insights into your industry landscape. You can also expand your discovery by using the lookalike search. It will help you find influencers similar to ones you already love. Next up is the followers scanner. This tool helps you find influencers that follow or like posts of any account. You can use it to find influencers among your own account followers or spy on competitors. Simply input the target social media handle, define the minimum size of the influencers, and the tool will go through all their followers and find influencers among them and put everything in a list. Now let's take a look at the email match tool. It helps you identify potential influencer within an email list. Simply drag and drop your list and tool will match those emails to influencers. Now you found one or more influencers. It's time for activation. To reach out to influencers, you have few options. First, you can export your influencers in a CSV file and upload to your favorite email sending tool, and off you go. Or you can save them into a list on Btrendy. Btrendy lists work as your built-in CRM system to help manage your campaigns. Finally, you can ditch the spreadsheets and have everything organized in one place. From here, you can customize your columns, add notes, upload files, directly send bulk emails with merge field personalization. To start sending emails, simply go to integrations and connect your own email sending account that can be using Gmail API or SMTP. Next stop is your reporting and tracking tool. You don't want to chase creators to get them to upload their content. With Btrendy tracking tool, get 24/7 automatic influencer story and post tracking. Just enter the username you want us to check. We'll let you know who posted, what, when, and save it for your reuse later. When posts starts coming in, the tool will automatically create report showing total views, likes, comments, etc. Btrendy is built with agencies in mind. You can create a sub-account for each brand you have and invite your clients to the specific sub-accounts. For each sub-account, you can assign team members its own list, connected emails, and more. And that's a wrap about Btrendy. For any question, please email me on hisham@btrendy.com.